Good morning, sir. I am Gunnar Clint Kianokyu from Bugliti. I am 22 years old and I am a Bismarck 3 Bravo. And I'm going to answer the midterm exam questions. So the number one question is if the if the death penalty should be allowed in our nation or in the Philippines. So my answer is that the death penalty should not be allowed to to alleviate corruption in the Philippines, and it violates the moral law. So, from a general perspective, the principle of sanctity of human lives holds that every person has inherent worth and intentionally taking a life, even that of a corrupt official, and it's not it's not it's not applicable, or it's not right to have a death penalty for that in that case. Uh, this official undermines this fundamental value. Additionally, uh, moral law emphasizes that it is a restorative rather than retributive. So the reasons that yes, next is that also there is no inclusive evidence that the death penalty effectively deters corruption or it decreases corruption. There is no evidence that officials are not going to corrupt because of the death penalty. Now, in the past few years, there is no evidence or no proof that corruption decreased because of the death penalty, and it is irreversible injustice if innocent individuals are uh, wrongly convicted. And for the number two questions, if abortion should be legalized in the Philippines. So abortion should not be legalized in the Philippines based on a moral stance that prioritizes the right of both the mother and the unborn child. So the assertion that it is my body and I have the right to do whatever I want oversimplifies the issue, as pregnancy involves two distinct human beings with their own inherent dignity and right to live, and right to life. From a moral framework rooted in the protection of a vulnerable life, the unborn child protection of vulnerable life, the unborn child from conception has a fundamental right to exist. That child that you are going to abort has a right to live, has a right to live. The reason also because abortion or they do abortion is because of the poverty, the the sa kanang mahirap sila, walang pera, yan. There is no enough money to support if the child is going to born. So the moral responses should focus on providing comprehensive support systems like accessible prenatal care, financial assistance to families, safe adoption options, and resources to address the root uh, causes of unintended pregnancies. Thank you, sir, and that's all.